Now that we have our audio that we're going to be working with, we're going to want to record some introductory comments as well as some ending comments, and we can do all of that inside of the same project and the same track. What we're going to do is we're going to first mute out the top track. So that's our main audio. And now what we're going to do is we're going to record some audio. And we're going to do that in a new track. We're going to add this new track and make sure it's a stereo track. And now we're going to record new audio as our introductory comments. This is a new audio. This will be about marketing. Okay, so now we have recorded our introductory comments. Okay, so now we have recorded our closing audio. So we have all three pieces. Now, one of the things that we should probably do at this point is we should save our entire project file. So we have called this project the hands-on project, and we're going to save what we have done so far by clicking Save Project. This preserves the work that we've done already on the project. So now what we're going to do is we're going to stretch out our audio so we can see it a little better. I'm going to do that by going to the Zoom tool. We're going to click on this stretch command. And we can see our audio now a little better. Now we're going to copy this entire introductory comment and we're going to add it to our track above. And this is one way of being able to add it to our audio. We could allow this to run separately from our other track. However, what we're going to do is we're just going to add it onto the top track. So in order to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to get our selection tool. We're going to copy this entire piece. We're going to hit Control C, and then we're going to go to our top track, and then we're going to add it. And we're going to do that by using the tool to move our audio. So what we're going to do now is we're going to highlight this track. Then we're going to use this move tool. We're going to slide this track out. And what we're going to do then is we're going to paste in the piece that we just copied. And we're going to do that by going to our selection tool. We're going to put our cursor back at the very beginning. And then we're going to hit Control V. What we can do then is we can then grab our move tool and slide this piece back. So basically now what we've added now are introductory comments to our audio. We can now mute out the track that we just copied. What we can do now is we can go to our ending comments and we can do much the same thing. We can then highlight this track. We're going to copy this entire piece. We're going to hit Control C. And then we're going to go to the end of our audio and place that audio at the end of our track. So we're going to scroll up here. We're now going to view the end of our track. And one of the ways we can do that, of course, is we can fit this to width. We can now see the very end of our track. So we're now going to skip to the end of that track. And what we're going to do at the very end of the track is we're going to hit Control V. And we've now added on our closing comments. What we can now do is we can either mute or close out our track. So we still have both of our comments here. We've just now muted them and we've added them now to our original track. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.